Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I got some packages in the mail. I ordered some bag making kits from Pop Sewing Handmade, I think that's what they're called. And yeah, I've got them and I'm gonna attempt to make a bag today. It might take longer than a day, but I'm really excited and I thought I would show one of the bags that I'm making as like a little sew with me, make a bag with me vlog. So that's what we're doing today. Let me show you the bags and I'll show you the one which I am choosing to make today. So they come in another bag, but this is what each bag kit looks like. So there's a tutorial video that you can scan and watch the tutorial and basically sew along. I've got 3 bags here, all with the pieces inside, and this is the one that we're going to make. Now I'll go onto my laptop to show you what they actually look like because you can't really see much from here. Okay, so I'm on the website now to show you what the actual bag kits look like. This is the website. It's called Pop Sewing, and this is the first bag that I ordered. This is called the Top Grain Leather Gypsy Crossbody bag. I think it's super cute and quite excited to make that. The second bag that I've got is called the Jackie bag, and oh my gosh, look at that, gorgeous. So this one is called the Jackie shoulder bag. And then the last bag that I got is this tote bag, which I got in the grey colour. The website has tons of different bags. If you go here to bag kits, you have different types of bags. So if you go to inspired bags, they have quite a few bags that are basically the same as the popular bags that are out today. Like this puzzle bag, which you may have seen out in the designer stores. So they have all sorts of different bags. They've got novelty ones as well as just like, look at that really nice bucket, and they come like opened up and with the hardware already attached, so all you need to do is sew it together. So yeah, this is the bag that we are going to attempt to make over the weekend, and yeah, wish me luck. So there is a video tutorial that you can follow along with, so I'm gonna load that up. But first things first, I will show you what comes inside the kit, because I believe it comes with everything you need, including tools. So this is what's in the bag. How to get the tutorial instructions, some stickers, I don't know what they're for. We've got the strap already done, nice. This is all of the tools. It says that there is thread, needle, scissors, thimble, a clip, rubber finger cover, and a leather piece. So this is all the tools that you need to sew the kit. We've got thread, we've got some D-rings, it looks like some stuff for the straps, so that's that. It looks like we've got some more straps with the hardware has already been put on, so the hard part has been done. And then this is the actual pieces. So this looks like, I don't know, the back piece. We've got like the front piece with the lock, and the hardware has already been put on. And then we've got some side pieces. Looks like we've got like a little zipper pouch thing. Yeah, we've got like lots of stuff. So all I really need to do, if you have a look, the holes have already been pricked. All I need to do is just sew this together. So yeah, that's all the pieces. Seems pretty straightforward. This might be like famous last words and it's actually like really, really hard. I did attempt to get into leather bag making like 1 or 2 years ago. So I do have some tools, including a stand where you can put the leather piece in between and clamp it so that you can sew it. So I imagine you'll have to use a saddle stitch, which is, you need 2 needles to kind of sew like this. So I'm gonna go get that, and that might actually help stitch this together faster. We'll see what happens. This is the clamp that I was talking about. I think you can like put this on the table or like sit that between your legs, and what it does is this bit opens here, you put your leather piece inside, you close the clamp, and then you can stitch without having to hold it hands free. So I'm definitely going to be using that because I really think I will probably need it. So that's fun. Okay, right, let me go and watch the tutorial video real quick, and then I guess we're going to get to sewing. Watching the video of how to do it, and the first thing we need to do is make these little strappy things. So I've got this, which I'm going to put through here, and then we're going to sew this to what I think is the back piece. And as you can see that there's like holes here and here, and they're going to go on like that. So in order to do that, I have to measure out the string. They say that you need 3 times the length of this, so I'm going to measure that out of the kit. Okay. Look at these little finger rubbers. Like, got some needles, we've got thread, we've got some bits of leather, and some clips. Okay. Oh yeah, we got some snips. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna snip that down. We have threaded 2 needles, finally. Okay, so already I think I'm gonna need to clamp this shut so I can actually do some things. So let's pop this in. So that is all stitched, looking nice. The next thing that I need to do now is this little pocket bit. So this is gonna go on top like that, and I have to stitch all the way around, and I think I have to sandwich this little bit at the bottom like that. So back to stitching. So we're having a snack break because I've been stitching for so long and I still haven't put anything together yet. Turns out all of these little circles and stuff need stitching, and it takes a fair amount of time. So I have to like stitch across the top here before I even join anything together. But this is the last thing I stitch by itself, and then I start putting things together and it starts looking like a bag. But I'm having a little bit of a snack break first because it's been hours and it takes so long for me to thread these needles, and there's only 4, so there's only so many you can thread at a time. But I'm still quite enjoying the process. Like I'm excited for the bag that's going to come out. So I'm gonna eat some snacks, gonna watch a thing, I'm gonna stitch and just watch a thing. So, before you say anything, I cut all my hair off. That's right, it's all gone. That's what I was doing this weekend. So I started my bag project for one day and then went down to London and spent the weekend there and cut all my hair off and got it coloured. So I'm still getting used to it being this short, but this is the shortest I've ever had it. It's like, it's so short, but I do enjoy it. So this is my new look now, and yeah, let's carry on with the bag project because it's Tuesday now and I started this on Friday and I've only actually worked on it for a day. But let me show you where I am. So this is where we are. Oh look, there's a cookie. She's wistfully looking out the window. But yeah, this is where we are with the bag so far. I've just sewed the top together, and now we're going to add these little straps which start at the back, weave through the side, and then come out of these little holes here. And then the last thing we need to do is put this strap on it and then we are finished. But yeah, that's what it's looking like at the moment. It's actually like quite nice, so I'm quite excited to be able to wear this. And apart from the fact that I went away this weekend and chopped all my hair off, it did come together quite quickly. So I might do the other one. There's two over there. I might do a second one in this video. What do you think? What do you think, Cookie? Cookie, what do you reckon? Should we do it? Yeah? Should we do it, Cookie? I don't think you care, do you? Okay, sorry, baby. Well, that came together quite quickly. I thought I'd have to do so much more, but after I attached these two things, I thought I'd have to sew the strap, but you just clip it on and it's done. Voiceover here. So as you can see, I made the bag and this is me modeling it. I absolutely love it. I didn't actually end up making the other two bags, but I will be making those in the future, so stay tuned for seeing that in a future video where I show you what it looks like all made up. It has a clasp fasten which you turn like a lock and key, you unhook the two straps and then you can open the flap. Inside it's really nice and finished. It's quite wide. As you can see, there is a zip there and it's really easy to wear, and it goes with so many things because it's in that natural brown tan color. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching to the end. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you made a bag like this before? Have you used any other bag making kits? I'm obsessed, so I would love to know if there are more out there. And if you haven't already, then subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell to know when I post a new video, even if they are few and far between. See you in the next video. Bye!